Okay, let's draw this simple model. So this model make use of the loft command. So this is the front plane, and then you have another plane created 200 mm away. So let's start to create the plane first. Right. Create a new first, new part. Select the front plane. Say plane. Offset distance 200. The front plane and plane 1 is over here. Okay. Let me edit the feature. I want this plane 1 to be, I want the plane to offset. I want the plane 1 to be there. So it's to follow this drawing. Okay. So for now we use the front plane to sketch a rectangle. So let me hide this plane. Click hide. I go to front, sketch. Let's draw a center rectangle. Dimension 75. Okay. If you want to see the decimal places, now you can go to tools. Option. Because now this the option command cannot be seen over here. So go to document property, unit, you can go to none. So now it's 35. Okay, I see the sketch. Okay, now let's go to the next part. So we are going to sketch and play on this octagon. Click this one, plane 1, sketch. Let's draw a center rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides. Okay, so let's click this, make it horizontal. And dimension the side to 65 for dimension. So fully defined. Just say, let's see the sketch. So now we are going to use a loft command feature. It's a loft boss base command. Click. So let me clear the selector first. Okay, let me select this point here. So if I want this point and this point to be in line. So I create a loft. Okay, if I want to change any feature, so maybe I make this one you can see that you can change the shape. Okay, okay. Let me click here and click here. Let me just two end I want. So the shape change a bit. Okay, now yeah, different from this one. But doesn't matter because go from square to octagon, you're going to have some problem. Okay, there's a lot. Of course, you can just change the shape. You can drag and drag back. Okay, now similar with this one. And now the next thing is that we want to use a loft cut. So you're going to draw a circle on this plane. Click, sketch. Let's draw a circle. And dimension this one. 50. So fully defined. You see the sketch. Click. See the sketch on plane one. Okay. So this time I'm going to draw an ellipse. So go to ellipse command. Click. And you click. Okay. Click this point. Press shift and click this point and make it horizontal relation. Give a dimension. To 100. And then here to here. Make it 73. See the sketch? So we draw a circle and an ellipse. So let's go to loft cut. So this is the loft cut command. Click here. Click here. So there you cut loft. And now this is how we can use loft cut to create this model. Okay, we have completed the model. Thank you for watching.